Hey, what's up, YouTube? Andre Miller here with a brand new video, and I got something extra special for you today. And I just want to make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end because I'm going to share with you how you can earn $30 every 30 minutes right now. The good thing, it's available worldwide. So earn $30 every 30 minutes right now, available worldwide. So if you're looking for a way to make some money, this is a perfect video for you to watch, and make sure you got a pen or a paper to start writing some things down, because if you don't follow this strategy, if you don't follow this method, you're not going to be able to earn $30. It's just that simple. Because I've got a lot of people that send me messages all the time. Andre, is there a way to make money? Andre, what's a way how I can make money without investing money? Because this right here, you don't need any money to make this type of money. However, you're going to need your time, and you're going to need an extra effort and a little bit of your patience. So make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end. So in this video, what I'm going to cover today, I'm going to show you that you do not need any money to get started. If you got a laptop, you got a phone, you got a tablet, a BlackBerry phone, iPhone, Android, it doesn't matter. You can be a part of this right now. So how long it's going to take? Each assignment is going to take up to 10 minutes. So 10 minutes, and you can earn $30. So 10 times 3, that is 30, because the maximum amount of time this is going to take is 10 to 15 minutes. You can even do it in a shorter amount of time. This is beginner friendly, and as I mentioned before, it is worldwide. So I've got a lot of people overseas that always sends me messages asking, is there any way that I can make money without being in the US or in Canada? And yes, you've found the perfect video. So if this is your first time here, don't forget to like, subscribe, show some love in the comments. Let me know what you think about this video after you watch it, and spread it, share it, like it, subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell notification, because every time I create a new video, you're going to be the first one to know. And for the people that are looking for a much more better way of life-changing opportunity, check out the first link in the description, and I'll send that over to you right now. So this website, it is something that is working, and you can earn $30 every 30 minutes. The website is called Analicia.com. So go to Analicia.com. This website is basically a user testing website. So if you scroll through here, you could see the different platforms that they want to test. So right here, they're testing websites, iPhone, Android, BlackBerry, tablet. So you could join the community, and you can register to be a part of the testing community, and you could get paid just by browsing sites and give you feedback. So I'm zooming a little bit so that way you can see what's going on. So for people that, huge companies that want to test, they will just come on here and they will just sign up for this right away. And for those of you who want to get paid just for testing website, apps, and all that kind of stuff, all you can do is click on the frequently asked questions. When you click on that, how it works area, you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom down here where it says become a tester. But let's just see what people and what this form of website is. So over here, how does the usability work? You simply ask us what you want our users to perform. Example, purchasing online, find specific information about the product, etc. So that's what, if the customers are coming on here, yes, they can get a refund. Who are the users? And they want to know the users as well. So there's users all over the world, Europe, North America, and that's exactly what I just spoke about. So click on here to become a tester. You make sure you click on it. It's just going to take you over this part where this is how you register. So share your experience. We want your opinion. Get paid surfing websites while testing us. While telling us what you think. Oh my goodness, I'm just coming from a funeral and I'm like super tired, but I still make the effort to make this video, so bear with me. So you want to put your first name, your email, you want to put the password in there, and you want to do all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to show you the second phase of this, because I just did sign up as well, because I want to test it out to see if it works. If you can make $10 every 10 minutes, why not? Are they going to send you frequent jobs all the time? I don't think so. So that's why it's good to just sign up for it. So testing users frequently asked question, what does the test involve? So the test involve you'll be asked to read some instructions and complete tasks on a website. This sessions will be recorded. Your screen and audio will be saved. It typically takes about 15 minutes. Most people get it done in 10. So they're going to record what you're doing, and they will give you the softwares and all the stuff that you need, so that way you can upload what upload the tasks that you get done, and they could verify it. Once it's approved, you're going to get paid. All right, so the qualification, you're definitely going to need a good internet connection. You need a microphone. We accept a good variety of users from many locations and many different profiles. So how long does it take? As I mentioned before, about 15 minutes. And how much can you get paid? You get paid $10 each test. So 10 times 3, that's 30. You can make $60 up to an hour if you complete each test in 10 minutes or less. And I've seen people done it, so I know you can do it too. So how do they pay you? Of course, they're going to send money in PayPal. For my people, if you don't have PayPal account, I do apologize, but PayPal is their preferred payment option. So how do I get contacted? They're going to send you in your email. How many tests can you get? Can you expect? This opportunity is very popular, getting paid $10 for just a few minutes. Many testers want that, and statistically, right, they are less customers than testers. So you want to make sure that if you want to do the testing option, as I said before, they're not going to send you as many tests as possible. But once you sign up here, the second part is here, because I went in and I check it out. So you want to type in mail. I'm doing this with you so you can see what I'm doing. Education, you could put college, me, I finished high school, that was it. Household income, you can put it to wherever you want. Mine is anywhere from between here and here. And this is only online. And I'm still on my second year, so I'm coming up on this year. I'm definitely going to be over here for sure. I know that. So I'm not tooting my own horn, but I've worked hard for it. So student, unemployed, working at home, you can put working at home or whatever it is. So you want to fill this out. Make sure you put your phone number, computer expert, beginner, intermediate, expert, and what year you were born. You want to fill it out, and then you click register. So this is the step 2 section. Once you're registered, they're going to send you some information right away, and they will tell you when you could get tests. But here's another way how you can also make more money with this, because if most of you don't sign up for this, you could come down here, you could sign up for the referral program. So the referral program is amazing. So how does it work? This, you could sign up for it. It's very simple, and you could get rewarded. Now I'm going to share with you my personal group. It's over 60,000 people that you can go in and you can promote. Now, make sure you read the rules, because if I see any one of you breaking the rules, no questions asked. You will be banned and you will be removed, because there's a lot of people out there that are just smashing links all over the place and not do it the right way. So you're going to get paid 15% of the sale for customers. So if you bring in customers, you get 15%. If you bring in users, you get $2 every time someone sign up. So that's unlimited earning potential of just getting people to sign up. Once they register, you get $2. So you can make, if you get 10 users a day, that's $20. Now I'm going to hop over to my group that I mentioned, and I'm going to share with you. So if you go on Facebook, you could join this group. So the group is called Earn Money Online. Hang on one second. Not sure why it is. Okay, it's a little bit slow today. So Earn Money Online. There's tons and tons of different groups that you can join. But if you click on here, this is my group. Make sure you read this post. If you could see right here, over 68,000 people. So as I told you before, it's no joke. This is something that you can come in and you can find a ton of people. And I allow people to post their opportunities in here. So make sure there's going to be 3 questions that you need to answer. Answer them properly. Make sure you read the questions. Otherwise, I'm not the only admin. So if you get denied, can't say I didn't warn you. So I'm giving you the right to come in here, and you can promote inside of this group. There's other groups out there as well. So feel free to just come in here and you could do your thing. I'm allowing you to come in here and you could promote, because there's a lot of people who want to learn how to make money. So make sure you do that. And once you do that, man, it's going to be game on. Somebody's promoting this. Not sure whose video is this, but okay, this guy is promoting his video. Well, that's pretty cool, right? So people are promoting their YouTube channel. People are promoting make money offers on here. So if you want to learn how to do that, make sure you sign up for the referral program and you can come in here and promote it. So sign up for this, make some money, you can earn $30. If not, you can come in here, you can try to get people to sign up and they can make $2 over and over again. So thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Andre. Like, subscribe, become a part of the family, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.